investigation about straws. I am Marjorie Anyor.
And I am Jennifer Andrade, and now we're going to present our investigation about squares made from different color of straws. How many square ang magagawa sa different color?
So for our introduction, we have different colors of straws. We have 2 colors, 3 colors, and 4 colors. And how many possible unique squares can be made by that available colors.
So if 2 colors are available, ang gagawang straw is 14 squares.
So we have first combinations of 2 blue, 2 red. So if we will consider this combination, we will get 6 unique squares. While if 1 blue and 3 red, we will have 4 squares. And 3 blue, 1 red, we will have 4 squares. So all in all, we have 14 squares.
Next is how can we be sure that squares are unique or different from each other?
So first, for example, this is the original square. We have red, blue, blue, and red. So if you take it 90 degrees, it will become red, red, blue, blue. So from red 1, naging napunta siya sa blue 1. And blue 1, napunta sa blue 2. And B2 to 3, R2, and R2 to R1. And if the original square rotated 180 degrees,
Yung R1 mapupunta sa B2 kasi 180 degrees ang error. And then other side is squares. And next is if 270 degrees and rotate, and then from R1, then R2, since 270 degrees ang error.
how do you know that you have found all possible squares? So, of course, by considering the combination of colors. So, for example, sa 2 colors, we have blue and red, for example. So, yun nga, consider natin yung 3 red, 1 blue, 3 blue, 1 red. And 2 red and blue, we have, sa 2 red and 2 blue, we have adjacent yung colors, and yung sa isa naman is opposite. So, we found out that we have 14 squares.
So what if straws is different color? We have 3 different colors of straws. So we can make 36 squares made from 3 different color of straws.
What if the straws of 4 different colors are available? 5 and so on. So first, we have 4 available colors, and based on our investigation, we found out that we will have 24 unique squares. So what if the straws of 5 different colors are available? 6 and so on. So since we all know that a square has only 4 sides, so and the available colors are more than its sides. So for example, 5 available colors, and we have only 4 sides in a square. So we cannot create any possible square. Can you predict the number of different colored squares that you can make with a particular choice of colors? So yes, so these are the respective formula rather for different available colors. We have different formula for 2 colors, 3 colors, and 4 colors. So we will now proceed to gathering data. So based on our investigation, if the number of colors available are 2, so we will have 14 squares. If 3, 36 squares. If 4, 24 squares. And if the available colors is more than 4, 0.
So if 2 colors is available, our formula is S and is equal to S raised to 4 minus S.
So So for two colors or available, we will have this formula. S of n is equal to n raised to 4, which is 4 to the 4 sides smooth square minus n. So if n is 2, then S of 2 is equal to 2 raised to 4 minus 2 is equal to 14. While if the colors available is 3, so the formula will be S sub n is equal to n raised to 4 minus n minus S of 2, the value of S of 2 times x, which is yung x is number of combination of two colors. For example, so from this 3 colors, we will have 3 combination of 2 colors. We have blue, green, blue, red, and green, red. So we have 3. So yeah. And we got 36 pairs. While if we have 4 colors, the formula will be S sub n is equal to n raised to 4 minus n minus S of 2 times x minus S of 3 is equal to y. So the combination of the x rather is the number of the combination of 2 colors. So we will have yellow blue, 1, yellow orange, yellow green, blue orange, blue green, and orange and green. So we have 6. So 14 times 6. And the y naman is the number of combination of 3 colors. So from this available colors, we will have 4 combination of 3 colors. We have yellow, blue, orange, yellow, blue, and green, blue, orange, and green, orange, green, and yellow. So we have 4. So we got 24 squares. So for our conjectures,
the squares with 2 different colors, if you rotate it 90 degrees, it is the same as your reflected it's vertically. So, and next is in a square with 2 different colors, if you rotate 270 degrees, it is the same as your reflected it horizontally. Lastly, a square with 4 different colors has no symmetries beyond identity.
We also have the fourth one. The formulas to get the number of unit squares with we have respective formulas for different colors available. So for testing of conjectures, we have for conjecture 1, if you rotate a square 90 degrees, it is the same as you reflected it vertically. So from this is the original. We have red, blue, blue, and red. So if you rotate it 90 degrees, this will be the result. We have red, red, blue, blue. And from this original, it's the same as this. So if you reflected it vertically, then the result will be the same as you rotated it 90 degrees.
Wow.
So for conjecture number 2,
So if you rotate the square 270 degrees, it is the same as you reflected it horizontally. From this original squares, and then you rotate it 270 degrees, ang magiging combination niya is blue, 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 red, 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 blue, blue, red, blue, blue, red, blue, red, blue.
so another one, from this original, it's the same as this. So if you reflected it horizontally, so ganon, magiging ito is mananatili lang siya sa doon. And yung upper color and the bottom, mag-change. So, which is, if you rotate it 270 degrees and you put it horizontally, it will be the same.
So testing conjecture number 3. So a square with 4 different colors has no symmetries beyond identity. No matter how you rotate or reflect a square with 4 different colors, you will always end up with a different arrangement. So from this original, if you rotate this 90 degrees, we will have different arrangement of colors. Since the available color is 4 and the side of square is 4.
And also, if the colors are 4, then if you reflected it horizontally, vertically, and diagonal, that will it will not be the same as the original. So it will create a unique square. So
last conjecture is the formulas to get the number of unique squares with two colors is S of n is equal to n raised to 4 minus n, and then where S of n is the number of unique colors, n is the number of available colors, and x is the number of combination of two colors, while y is the number of combination of three colors. So, as you can see, if you have two different colors available, we will make 40 unique squares, and then if three colors are available, we can create squares 36, and if four color is available, we can make 24 unique squares. So by generalization, by systematically considering all possible color combination and their symmetries, we can find the number of possible unique squares. As we investigate, we found out that the conjecture 1, 2, and 4, 2, 3, and 4 hold true. As you can see naman kayo nasa estimation. So for our extension, since we have, kanina tinanong that what if 5 different colors of straws is available. So a polygon, pentagon is made from colored straws.
So if two different colors, blue or red, so we will have this combinations. We have 1 red, 4 blue, 1 blue, 4 red, 2 red, 3 blue, 2 blue, and 3 red. So if we have 1 red, 4 blue, the unique squares will be 5, and 1, of course, nalitan lang sila, 5 din on course, 1 blue, 4 red. So if 2 red, 3 blue naman, we will have 10, and 2 blue, 3 red, we will have 10. So all in all, we have 30 pentagons.
So same with if 3 different colors are available. So we have 2 blue, 2 red, and 1 green. So we can make 20 unique squares. But in 2 blue, 2 green, 1 red, we can also make 20 unique pentagon. Sorry. And then 2 red, 2 green, and 1 blue, we can also make 20 unique pentagon. And if 3 blue, 1 red, 1 green, we can also make 20 unique pentagon, and also in combination of different colors, we can create 120 pentagons.
So if we have 4 different colors to make unique pentagon, so we have these combinations: 2 blue, 1 red, 1 green, 1 yellow, and we will create 60 pentagons. And so ganun lang yung combination, which is again 60 then and 60. So all in all, 240 pentagons.
So modeling our strong is our square strong. So as you can
So, each box, may box, diba? So we have different combination of colors. We have 2, 3, and 4. So this will release all the unique colors that can be made by the squares in the box. So we will have different arrangement here, using the combinations of available colors. So the students will list all possible unique squares that can be made using reflection and rotation. So count the number of all possible squares is the number of available colors. And take note that after you imitate or reflect, for example, a square, and that is what